Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vernon Solutions, the Learn HTML series using W3 Schools. We're going to try and wrap up the CSS chapter here. I said I would start with the exercises on this one, but I just want to cover briefly. There's some information on how to link to external CSS. I'm not going to try try it yourself because they don't really do anything, but you can see in the examples here, you can do a full URL as your href, starting with HTTP, in this case HTTPS. That's the full path to the styles.css file. You can make it in the HTML folder, so you can go sort of from the root. You can just put a slash there, and you can see how that's similar, but is a truncated path, if you will, here. And then the last one is, if it's in the same folder as the current page, you can just give the href as the file name itself. So with those in mind, quick summary here of the various tags that we looked at. We've got the style attribute for inline styling, the style tag for the element, the link tag for external CSS. It is helpful to remember there's a head element where you can put the style and link elements within the head section. And then of course you've got color, font family, font size, border, padding, and margin properties that can affect the actual look and feel, and you can put those in the external style sheet. You can put them in the internal CSS in the style element in the head section, or you can put them in the inline CSS. So with that in mind, let's get to the exercises. So the first one is use CSS to set the background color of the document, which is the body, right? So we want, in this case, how do we want to do this? I think we're going to need body here as the part of the style that we're trying to impact. We need curly brackets on the inside and outside, and then we are affecting here the background color, so it's going to be background dash color. I'm not sure I've done that right, but let's try that. I don't know if that's going to be right. Let's try to submit the answer and see. So we got body, background color yellow. We submit the answer. I think what was confusing me was the spacing didn't look quite right, but we weren't in the exercise yet. So that's correct. We go to exercise 2. And now we want to set the font of the document. So in this case, it's the Courier, so that's font dash family. It would help if I could spell. Let's try to submit that answer. Get another check mark, good for us. Now we're setting the text color of the document, so this is also body, and we're going to do font color maybe? Let's just do color. Right? Sorry, and then let's wrap this up. Go to exercise 4, and now we want to make a yellow 1 pixel thick border around all paragraphs. So this is going to be P here for the paragraph element. And then we want border, and we want it 1 pixel. It's solid, and it's yellow. Let's see if we can spell. Let's see if that works. All right, good for us. Those are the exercises, and we'll move on to the next section, which will be HTML links in the next video.